Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be having a look back at 2018 and a look forward to 2019. I'm Jay and this is my 3D adventure. So yeah, 2018 over already. Blink and you miss it sort of thing. It went really quick. So what's been happening with Jay's 3D adventure, or me, over 2018? Well, we obviously created the Hack Shack. I built the D-Bot. I've been doing various little things to the Printerbot Metal Plus. And I've been trying to make a few more videos. That's sort of the Jay's 3D adventure part of it. Myself personally, I've been having a few ups and downs. I started my job at Ooze Nest, which I really enjoyed, but for personal reasons I ended up leaving. So yeah, I'm sort of just doing my own little thing at the moment. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll see that I've been talking about a new website that I've been creating, and hopefully going to be having some sort of small shop aspect to that website. And that website really is just going to be somewhere that I can do a written blog as well as post videos. It'll also have links to all of my other social media stuff, and it was just easier to put that all in one place. As for the shop aspect of it, well, basically I see a gap in the well, not a gap in the market, but I see that there's a lot of new people coming into 3D printing, which is great, but there's not necessarily the resources for those new people coming into the 3D printing to get all the little accessories they need, to get replacement parts if something goes wrong, at a reasonable price. Now obviously E3D is like gold standard, but that's not necessarily what everyone needs. I personally do run some E3D stuff as well as some of the cheaper options, and I've had no problems with any of them. Not seen a change in print quality either. So yeah, that's what I want to bring to the market, or bring an option to. I'm also hopefully going to be doing filament. And the direction I've gone is actually I've decided to do master spool refills. Now I genuinely think it is where we need to go in the community. I think we as a community have a responsibility to try and save waste if we can, and I think the master spool from Richard Horn is a brilliant idea, and that's what I want to do. So, personally, I want to move to that ecosystem as well. So over 2019, I'm either going to be using up the filament I've got that are on spools, and then actually recycling those spools to accept master spools, or I'll be giving it away in some form, so that I can go over to master spool. So yeah, that's hopefully going to be happening in early 2019. The website's coming along really well, and I'm sort of talking to people to get the stock to put on that website. So yeah, enough of the shameless plug. But what's going to be happening on Jay's 3D Adventure? Well, personally, I would like to do more reviews, whether that's 3D printers or filament, because I like the technical side of 3D printing. I'm not necessarily clued up on all of the strength tests and all of that sort of stuff, but like to look at the hardware inside a 3D printer and just to see what choices manufacturers have made and what can be upgraded in the future. So that's one small part I want to do. I also want to do a lot more projects. So I've done a few sort of props over the years. I've done a lightsaber, which I'm really proud of. I've done a couple of other sort of weapons, if you wanna call them that. But I want to do bigger projects, maybe do some RC stuff as well. And the bigger project for next year, I think, is going to be to rebuild the first 3D printer that I bought, and that was a Printerbot LC, and the LC stands for laser cut, so it's a laser cut wooden frame, and I want to rebuild that and go back to my roots as such, and then just basically as the year progresses, maybe I'll get into the more design part of 3D printing and actually design some models or design a 3D printer even. Who knows, we'll see. But yeah, that's sort of the plan for 2019 as far as me, the channel, and everything else goes. I think there's going to be some interesting stuff come out from other YouTubers as well in the community, and I look forward to watching them as a subscriber as well, so that should be really good. Yeah, so hopefully you'll subscribe to me as well and you'll join me in my 3D adventure. There'll be links to my website, my shop, the other YouTube channels in the community that I personally enjoy watching. And yeah, let's have a good 2019. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.